Hello students, our today's topic of discussion is EVS 1. We will continue with chapter 1, our earth and our solar system. So, today we are going to learn about space launch technology, Indian astronaut, man-made satellites. So, let's get started. Space launch technology. To send some object from the earth into space, it must be given power against the force of gravity. Rocket technology or space launch technology is used for that purpose. People have always been curious about the heavenly bodies in the sky. They have always wanted to reach them. However, to send some objects from the earth into space, it must be given power against the force of gravity. Rocket technology or space launch technology is used for that purpose. Diwali rockets. One of the Diwali firecrackers is called a rocket. It is packed with explosive substances. The explosives burned rapidly and produce a lot of energy. The design of the rocket is such that the firecracker is pushed in a certain direction at a great speed. The cone shape is the best way to reduce air resistance, as a rounded end will have the smallest flat edge facing upwards, which will slow it down. The cone shape is the best way to keep the same friction all throughout the cone. The point removes flat edge and reduces the air resistance to get the rocket highest into the air. Very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into space. A tremendous quantity of fuel is burnt in rockets so that spacecraft weighing thousands of tons can be launched into space. As you all can see on the screen, very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into space. A tremendous quantity of fuel is burnt in rockets so that spacecraft weighing thousands of tons can be launched into space. In the 20th century, a few countries of the world developed space technology and sent hundreds of spacecraft into space. Our country is well known for the development of its space launch technology. Some spacecraft remain in space. Some are brought back to Earth, while some land on other planets or satellites. In some missions, scientists also travel in the spacecraft. They are called astronauts. Rakesh Sharma, first Indian to enter space. You can see here, in space, there is no gravitational pull. So you can float around in the outer space as you all can see on the screen. Indian astronaut Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian astronaut to go into space in 1984. He spent 8 days on a space station for a joint mission of the ISRO and the Soviet Intercosmos. So, it was in collaboration, that means Indian ISRO as well as Russians, that is Soviet. In those days, it was known as USSR or Soviet Union. Today, of course, it has broken up into 15 countries. Major part of it is Russia. Seeing India from space, he said that it looked सारे जहाँ से अच्छा. That means when you are out in space and when you are looking down on the earth, our planet earth, and you see India, over there you feel that सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Why did he feel like that? In some countries, if you look down, it might be only sandy desert. In India, you can see red mud, greenery, black earth. You can see so much varieties when you look at India from out of space. Students, our planet Earth is also known as blue planet. Man-made satellites. Man-made satellites provide useful information for agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, making maps, and searching for water and mineral wealth on the earth. They are also used for telecommunication. They are put into orbit around the earth. They can remain in space for many years. Always remember, space scientists have not yet been able to find a single other planet which has life on it. Therefore, our Earth is an invaluable planet. The degradation of its environment for any reason will be a threat to the existence of life itself. What we have learnt. First point, the sun is a star. All the other bodies in the solar system get light from the sun. Second, the sun and the planets, they are satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids that revolve around the sun are together called the solar system. Third, things on the earth remain on it due to the force of gravity. Fourth, to travel in space, the earth's gravitational force has to be overcome. Rocket technology helps us do that. Students, read the topics that we have discussed in our today's EVS 1 session. So, here we end with our today's EVS 1 session. We will meet in our next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe.